Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a task management application with voice. Hey Alan, what can I do here?
This is the Task Manager app, where you can view, resolve or add comments to your daily tasks.
Show me the H2S system check.
Opening H2S Removal System Check task. Would you like to add a comment? Or mark the task as resolved?
Add comments, filter unit needs to be replaced on the next check.
Comment added. Would you like to resolve the task? Or make changes?
Resolve it and set next check to December 5th.
Resolved the task and created a new task for December 5th. H2S Removal System Check. Do you want to confirm?
Yes.
Task successfully added.